Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we're addressing the diagnosis and troubleshooting of DTC B0028-2B, which indicates a short circuit to another wire harness in the right side airbag inflator on the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. This particular error is related to the vehicle's supplemental restraint system, SRS, and can pose safety risks if not resolved properly. Therefore, understanding each component's role and location within the SRS is crucial. The SRS system includes various inflators, wiring harnesses, and connectors that work together to deploy airbags in the event of a collision. During a fault condition, the SRS unit detects abnormal voltage levels, triggering this specific diagnostic trouble code and initiating the need for further inspection and repair procedures. DTC B0028-2B refers to a short circuit detected between the right side airbag inflator and another wire harness. The SRS unit, which is the main control element of the airbag system, determines that abnormal voltage readings indicate an issue. This code suggests that one of the airbags, specifically the right side airbag inflator, may not function as designed. Located within the vehicle's interior, various wiring harnesses connect the airbag inflators with the SRS unit, including specific power supply lines and ground connections. If a wire becomes shorted, this can lead to unintended consequences, such as failure of the airbags to deploy during a crash, or conversely, a premature deployment. Each component plays an essential role in the operational integrity of the airbag system. Thus, their proper functionality must be ensured during troubleshooting. The possible causes for DTC B0028-2B primarily include a short in the wire harness connected to the right side airbag inflator, which is a common source of error codes in SRS systems. Such shorts can occur due to wear and tear, accidental damage, or improper installation. The SRS unit itself could also be at fault. If the internal components are defective or damaged, it may not relay the correct voltage readings. Additionally, faulty airbag inflators can contribute to this code. If the inflator does not perform as intended, it could lead to incorrect voltage detection by the SRS unit, thus triggering DTC B0028-2B. Each of these potential causes warrants careful inspection to ensure that safety features remain fully operational. Symptoms of DTC B0028-2B typically manifest as the airbag warning light illuminating on the dashboard. This warning indicates that a fault has been detected within the SRS, potentially impacting airbag functionality. Additionally, a vehicle may exhibit a lack of response from the airbags if there's a short circuit in the harness, meaning they may fail to deploy during an accident. Sometimes, multiple error codes may populate the system, suggesting that the fault could be more systemic rather than isolated. Drivers may also find unexplained behavior from the airbag indicator lights, such as flickering or remaining illuminated when the vehicle is in operation. Being vigilant about these symptoms is essential, as they directly relate to vehicle safety. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B0028-2B involves checking for the presence of this specific diagnostic trouble code using the vehicle's onboard diagnostics or the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. It's essential to confirm whether other error codes are present alongside B0028-2B, as multiple codes can indicate more extensive issues within the SRS. Review any past collision reports for the vehicle. If the vehicle was involved in an accident, ensure that all affected SRS components were correctly replaced and installed. Moreover, confirming the history allows for better context regarding potential damage sustained, which might directly relate to the short circuit being reported. Accurate diagnosis at this stage sets the groundwork for effective resolution, enhancing safety during further steps. In this step, focus on inspecting the floor wire harness for potential faults. A thorough examination for visible damage, wear, or corrosion is critical, as these factors can lead to shorts or open circuits. Use a multimeter to test for continuity and to check for shorts between the various power supply and ground wires associated with the SRS. Specifically, inspect the voltage on the detection lines to ensure they meet specifications. If any wires are found to be stripped, frayed, or broken, they will require repair or replacement. Effective management of these wire harnesses can substantially mitigate errors and maintain the integrity of the airbag system. The third step is to inspect the SRS unit itself, suspecting it may be the source of the malfunction. Begin by verifying that all electrical connections are secure and free from corrosion. Visual inspection can be complemented by electrical testing, using a multimeter to assess voltage levels and compare them to specified values. Ensure that the integrity of the SRS unit components is intact. If the unit appears satisfactory but still triggers the DTC, it might require replacement. Properly functioning SRS units are crucial for ensuring the airbag system operates as intended in crisis situations. Testing and ensuring the unit's reliability can't be overlooked. After performing all necessary repairs related to DTC B0028-2B, the final verification process begins. Clear any diagnostic trouble codes from the system and reset the SRS. Immediately following this, conduct a functionality test on the SRS system to verify that the airbags deploy as intended under test conditions. This may also entail a road test to assess how the vehicle responds under different operational states. Always check for additional codes afterward to ensure that the repair was complete and additional problems have not arisen in the system. Completing this step accurately assures the vehicle's safety features are restored and functioning correctly. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B0028-2B, engage in proactive maintenance strategies. Regular inspections of the wiring harnesses associated with the SRS system can identify wear or damage before problems develop. Avoid situations that could lead to collisions, as these can impact the integrity of the SRS components. If any replacements are needed, always opt for original equipment manufacturer (OEM) parts to ensure compatibility and reliability. These actions can significantly lower the risk of encountering similar diagnostic codes and maintain the vehicle's overall safety performance for years to come. In conclusion, understanding DTC B0028-2B is pivotal for maintaining vehicle safety. The SRS's integrity must remain intact, as this system is a critical component in protecting vehicle occupants during a crash. Following the prescribed troubleshooting steps allows for effective diagnostics and ensures that all potential issues are thoroughly assessed and resolved. Preventive maintenance is essential for lowering the risk of similar faults in the future, enhancing the overall reliability of the vehicle's safety systems. Being diligent in inspections and repair procedures can contribute greatly to the safety and performance of the Honda Accord and similar models. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.